In fact, its main key purpose is to be used as a research tool to understand your subscribers and viewers' demands. How? Come with me. Welcome to Creator's Idea, where we unfold all you need to know so as to become a successful digital content creator. And with that, let's dive in straight to today's topic, which is YouTube Studio hacks. Just a little information. YouTube Studio is owned by YouTube actually. And there is the only place where you'll get accurate knowledge and information of what your viewers and subscribers have been searching for or have been engaging with. So this tells us that YouTube Studio is not only used to monitor whether you are able to get monetized or how far are you in progress as a YouTuber. In fact, its main key purpose is to be used as a research tool to understand your subscribers and viewers' demands. How? Come with me. You can see this is mobile gaming channel. It has 4,450 subscribers. That is not approximately, but just estimating. And 465 videos. Now let's go to the channels about. During 13 September 2022, actually it's not even a year old. He has 1,518,673 views. This is a gaming channel. This is one of the toughest channels to start and to run as a YouTube creator. Now, let's go to YouTube Studio of the same channel. So here we see there's a new achievement. He gained 4,000 subscribers 8 days ago. He actually achieved 4,000 subscribers 8 days ago. Current subscribers is at 4,451. So this guy in the last 8 days, he gained 451 subscribers. That is pretty much amazing. In the last 28 days, he gained 1,276 subscribers. Okay. Summary. Views in the last 28 days, 496,000 views, 1.5k watch hours. Let me just simplify this. This creator has invested a lot of time on shorts. And when he invests his time on public videos, they don't do that well. But this is where I'm coming to assist. Now on your left you can see, let me move. You see the place I'm moving on your left? Yeah. So there's this where we have channel content. We are at channel dashboard. This is channel content. Below channel content there is channel analytics. Leave that alone. Come to research. You see overview, content, audience and research there. This is the secret. This is where you have not been putting your time and investing your time in. Here you are being told explore what viewers are searching for on YouTube. You are told use this tool to research some of the top searches from viewers on your channel and across YouTube in the last 28 days. You see where you have been going wrong? Stop listening to many content creators. I have shared with you the secret. Come with me. You can see now we are at search across YouTube. Now there's another point. Your viewers search. You tap there. This is something that you didn't expect to see. These guys, his viewers have been searching for heavy machines and construction gameplay, trackers of Europe 3, and you can see search volume is high. And search term, this is search term and search volume. Heavy machines and construction gameplay, high. Trackers of Europe 3, high. Truck Simulator Europe, high. Trackers of Europe 3, new update, high. Trackers of Europe 3, gameplay, high. Truck Simulator Pro USA, high. Truck of Europe, high. Euro Truck Simulator 3, high. Heavy machines and construction game, high. Heavy machines and construction, high. So this tells you that if this guy focuses on creating games concerning heavy machines and construction, boom, his channel will go viral in the next 48 hours. That is the result. So subscribe, because in the next video I will show you how you'll add all of this information on your description, because this is what you have been told keywords. These are the actual keywords These are the actual keywords for this channel. Go look for your keywords of your channel on your studio analytics, on the research part. Do that. And when it works for you, come back, comment, worked. Only that, worked. Thank me later. I am James from Creators Idea. Thank you. Turn on the post notification. Don't forget.